So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
May good Akib. God is too kind. What about
I'm
you?
doing well, Tahir bhai, alhamdulillah. And Tahir bhai, you were saying a lot of things a couple of months ago that when Trump will become the US president, US-Pakistan cricket relations will improve. And today we are seeing that Mohsin Naqvi has basically met people of cricketing nation from America, and they are saying that they want to arrange a series between Pakistan and USA, and he wants to train the US coaches in Pakistan and develop their understanding of cricket. How do you see this? That Mohsin Naqvi is a visionary man who's trying to develop cricket in USA as well.
Akib, firstly, I will start my talk. As usual, I give the title of Mr. Mohsin Naqvi as an international best practitioner.
Yes.
And he believes in international best practices. And also believes in promotion of the bilateral cricket in the both countries between Pakistan and USA. Not only it will enhance our political relations, but also our sports relation as well.
USA is a very powerful nation.
It's also basically a technique of Mohsin Naqvi Sahab to bring the both nations very closer in form of cricket loving. Because our one player is already serving in USA. Guess Akib who? Mohammad Asif. Right?
Mohammad Asif.
And he has challenged Pakistani team that USA will face Pakistani team.
Couple of our players have left for USA.
Even proud son of Swat, what was his name?
Junaid Khan.
Junaid Khan, yeah.
I heard Fawad Alam also. Sami Aslam also left.
Yeah. So okay, these are the things which are investing a lot in the promotion of US team. So Mohammad Asif has given this open challenge that USA will face Pakistan again in 2020 T20 World Cup, and they will again beat Pakistan.
26 roughly.
So look, Akib, a great magician bowler who is just nurturing the young guns of USA. Just see the impact. What will the impact of that? That impact will come on Pakistani team. So how it is a dark reality for Pakistani Dalmia cricket Dalmia that our superstar is there in USA and promoting and polishing their bowling skills, and yes, we are unable to get the maximum out of him. I think it is just a silent clap for the board that they are unable to retain the talent and they are going abroad and earning a lot, and also investing a lot. They are putting their lot of patience and practices for the betterment of their cricket instead of promoting our cricket.
And Tahir bhai, if you notice that Pakistan is one of the few countries who basically try to help small nations to develop their cricket and improve their infrastructure. Even now you're seeing towards USA, and we also helped Sri Lankan teams, Afghanistan team previously as well. Even though Afghanistan is now treating us really badly, but we used to help them a lot. So what is this in Pakistan that they want to help other nations to grow also?
Akib, here comes a fun part, right? Look, no doubt it's a good sign that you are doing your best for the development of other nations, other small cricketing nations. As you have mentioned firstly about Sri Lanka. Look, Sri Lanka just became the good team after playing lot of matches with Pakistan. Just after a couple, look, it was matter of fact, just after a couple of months they used to come in Pakistan, or Pakistan used to go there.
I think I was talking when Imran Khan, great Imran Khan,
in that era,
Sri Lanka was called as Ceylon.
Yeah, so it was called as Ceylon. So just because of that practices, Sri Lanka has become the one of the best teams. Even they also qualified for few finals of World Cups, right?
They won the World Cup
They
also,
won the World Cup
1996.
1996 as well. So that's the humbleness of Sri Lanka. Even when the attack of 2009 happened in
They
Pakistan,
came in 2019.
and they were the nation that at that time they given the surety to Pakistan that we will again visit the Pakistan despite the fact of these attacks, because the Pakistani cricket has done a lot of good things for us. So that's the brave nation. So again they came in 2019 despite the fact of those attacks as well. So I think Pakistan should do good for the other crickets as well, but priority should be our own team.
Yes,
I think currently Afghanistan is performing much better than our team. Please mark my word, Akib.
in this World Cup, Tahir bhai, this Champions Trophy
in
also.
Champions Trophy will face a lot of music.
Tahir bhai, especially we see spin pitches like this, they are very dangerous. To be honest.
Yeah.
They have good spinner also.
Definitely, Akib, despite the fact of spinner, the main thing is what we have invested in our batting side. There was only Babar. Babar is also struggling. So that's the issue when you are depending on a single player.
Rizwan and Baba. Only Rizwan was standing in this series.
Yeah, but Rizwan is also not performing extraordinary, but he is just performing to save the
couple of
matches over.
40s, couple
not
of
a
40s.
long series, long innings. So Rizwan is partially also going through few crises and turmoil. So I think there is still time left and still 2-3 weeks left So board should do some emergency decision for the betterment of the batsman. They should put a maximum out of their batting pool, so they the symposium or the synchronization of the batting side of the team could be uplifted, and they could be able to. I'm not saying they could be able to win this Champions Trophy. They could be able to play well in this Champions Trophy.
And thirdly, do you think that Saim Ayub being injured and Mohsin Naqvi also said that we will not risk him for one tournament and we want to preserve him for longer? And usually this has happened before for Pakistan also,
Naseem
that
Shah, wo
star
Samin Naqvi
tournaments,
case was also-
star players get injured at the right time of the tournament. So obviously this time Mohsin Naqvi is protecting Saim Ayub in a way.
Yeah, I think that's the best reason of Mohsin Naqvi. That at least, firstly, he tried his level best to include Saim Ayub in the team. In the preliminary squad, he included Saim Ayub,
And
right?
this will be a big dent for Pakistan.
This will be big dent, and this is big dent because Aqib he was the full executive and ready-made player who was just
One
able
day.
to shatter the team. Look, Saim and over left hand Fakhar Zaman are opening for Pakistan, and look the other team's reaction. They
They will be having
just
terror.
They were just a drastic player. Aqib. They both are drastic players. So my wishes are for Saim Ayub as well that he should recover well. No worries. I think Saim Ayub will also be equally disappointed that just before this great tournament he is out of the team. So he should take his level best and overcome his injury, so he could come with full favor and full color in the team.
Okay, Tarbi, I say that Saim Ayub is an aggressive player. You lost one aggressive player, so why not bring Fakhar Zaman now? Because Fakhar Zaman is same like replacement for Saim Ayub, left-hander, flashy batsman, can score those quick runs. So I think ideally Fakhar should be coming and replacing Saim, but we are not sure if that will happen or not.
Akif Fakhar Zaman is a very versatile and very visionary player, right? But just because of his clashes and his few statements are hitting him badly. That's why
You're saying they're torturing him mentally.
mentally. So if they will torture him mentally, definitely his physical performance will definitely affect, and I am very afraid of that. If he came in the team, whether he will be mentally upset or mentally fresh. If he will be mentally upset, so definitely his performance will not be up to the mark in the Champions Trophy as well. So I am also triggering this thing that even Fakhar Zaman came in the team and he will not be mentally fresh. This thing could definitely affect his performance, which will also ultimately affect the performance of Pakistani team.
So Tahir, as we were talking about cricket, lastly Tahir, before we conclude this video, what message would you want to give to the Pakistani team for both of these big tournaments? And you know that if Pakistan fails to win this trophy, the people who are supporting Rizwan, they will start bashing him.
Exactly.
Apparently he's looking like a hero because he's consistently winning in one-day matches, but these are two heavy tournaments and he has huge responsibility.
Yeah, definitely.
On his shoulders.
But on the other hand, look, only Rizwan is a player who is performing well in our team, right? In three formats, whether it's Test match, whether it's T20 or
Whether it is one-day international.
yeah. So I think if we put the responsibility only on a single player, like we have seen in past, when we are only depending on Babar, as Babar's performance shaked, whole team shaked. And same case, I am afraid of that we can see in the shape of Rizwan. He will be unable to perform. Babar will be set aside. People will start rolling and blaming Rizwan.
And he lost his main player, Saim Ayub also.
Saim Ayub
That
as
will
well, his
dent the
best
team.
partner. Not bent the team, dent Rizwan as well. Team definitely will be dented, but Rizwan will equally be dented because he's a true partner, even we can say crime partner, who used to help him to build the inning. But fans should also take a cool breath, that they should avoid putting some harsh, but they should back up the players.
Fans only accept that they want trophy.
Yeah, they only want trophy, despite the fact, whatever the reason, what could be the circumstances, just they want to have trophy in our fight.
Yes, Tarbi. And Tarbi, what do you say as you were saying the West Indies series? And we're talking about one day. Are you disappointed seeing Salman Ali Agha's performance in this series? We barely were able to talk about him. And he was very disappointing with the bat, with the potential he had. He was badly struggling in this whole series against spin. Got out, run outs as well a couple of times. How do you see?
Yeah, Akif, sometime
You rated him very highly.
yeah, but Akif, he was also seen used to be playing few harsh shots. Blessing. Blessing. Blessing.
Tarbi, looks like it's very cold outside.
Yeah, someone is remembering from the depth of heart, Akif, that's why it's happening with me. So, Akif, I think fans are waiting eagerly for the video, that's why this thing happened. So, Akif, what we were talking?
Salman Ali
Yeah,
Agha.
Salman Ali Agha was a good player. No, sorry, he is still a good player. But the reason is, I seen him couple of times. He was observed to by playing some rash shotties as well, like he was losing his temperament as well. Same thing which happened with the Saim Ayub as well. So I think Saim Ali Aga is a young
Salman
player. He is a young blood. So things.
He's also
happen.
vice captain there.
Yeah, he needs some counseling. Senior player like Babar or Rizwan should counsel him equally well. He is the best asset for the team.
And I hope that he will deliver in this Champions Trophy for Pakistan, inshallah. So, thank you so much, time, inshallah. Tomorrow again, we will try to have you with another video. So, yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to Sports Guys. For more content like this, till then, it is goodbye from me and Tahir by side. Take good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.